Students, we know that inside our body, blood is present. Blood is a transporting medium, but it is not a fluid, it is a connective tissue. It is slightly alkaline with pH 7.4, salty in taste. Actually, in blood, there is a fluid called plasma, and blood cells are floated in plasma. Now, imagine a situation where floating blood cells are separated from blood. Then, the colorless or pale yellow or thick fluid left behind is plasma. Part of plasma is water, in which many materials are present in a dissolved form. Among the variety of components, there are inorganic salts, proteins, albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, prothrombin, gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, nutrients, molecules forms after food digestion. Also, there are water molecules suspended in a plasma. Three major types of blood cells, namely red blood cells, RBCs or erythrocytes, white blood cells, WBCs or leukocytes, blood cells or thrombocytes. Red blood cells or erythrocytes. These are rounded or circular cells without nucleus. Our blood is dark red in color because of RBCs. RBCs are present in large number in blood, that is 50 to 60 lakh cells in 1 cubic millimeter of blood. RBCs are produced in red bone marrow and live for about 100 to 120 days. White blood cells called leukocyte. In comparison with RBCs, WBCs are only 5,000 to 10,000 cells in 1 cubic millimeter of blood. Those cells are large, do not have fixed shape. They have nucleus. These types are based on shape of nucleus and nature of cytoplasm. Sometimes there is increase in the numbers of WBCs due to pathological reasons. This is called leukemia or blood cancer. Blood platelets or thrombocytes. These are very small disc-shaped cells, usually 2.5 to 4 lakhs are present in 1 cubic millimeter of blood, but sometimes the count of platelets from blood may decrease drastically. This may happen if person suffers from infections like malaria, dengue. Thus, all the blood cells are playing important functions in our body. Apart from this, it performs many other functions like transports of oxygen to all cells, remove waste product from cells and transport them to the lungs and kidney, supply of nutrients to cells, fight with germs by producing antibodies. Blood transports hormones and enzymes to their destination organ. Blood maintains temperature of our body at 37 degrees Celsius. So after studying blood composition and functions of blood, you will realize that life of a person in danger if loses lot of blood from his body. Summary: today have studied components of blood and their role in our body. All the blood cells are playing important function in our body. WBCs are our bodyguards, our fights with microbes is which cause infections.